I want to show you guys this giant inflatable screen to put a projector on. So it comes with rope, stakes, and in case it rips, you could patch it up. And it has the thread and the needles as well. So I open up the projector. We're about to plug it in. The cool thing, it comes with the pump attached already. So all you have to do is plug it in, zip this up, and let's see how it looks. So here's a giant screen. That's where the string and the stakes come in handy, so you could tie it down because it's really, really light. So the wind tips it over, but this is huge. This is awesome. There's a pump, the screen. Let me back up. Yeah, I gotta tie it down. So I'll secure it, and then at nighttime we'll put on the projector, show you how it looks. So to deflate it, all you do is unplug it, open up the zipper so it could deflate a little bit faster. It also comes with a little duffel bag. Once you fold it up, put it away in here. Here's the projector. I just tied it to the fence to secure it. Movie night. So the big old screen getting you ready. Just waiting for the sun to come down. We'll put on the movie with the projector, but just want you guys to see our little setup. See the big old screen, inflatable screen.